it. Listen, if you turn the corner and you're not expecting nothing, you see a big bird like that, you telling me you wouldn't be scared?
Probably. They're gonna lose all their customers.
What the fuck? Oh my god! This is crazy. Look at this thing. I got out the car to go to the gas station to play my numbers. Look at this big fucking bird. Holy shit, I hope it don't get me. Oh my fucking god. I was so fucking... Oh shit. That is not no turkey, Die Hard. I am, but it's walking with me. They laughing. Oh. Oh shit.